Perceptive focuses on providing customers with BOM cost-down solutions. Recently, we have launched SMT Assembly services. Come with me to learn about the SMT Assembly Processing Workshop. The factory was founded in 2012. It has 80 engineers and 800 factory employees. It has an intelligent manufacturing digital workshop, 13 SMT patch processing lines, 7 dip test lines, 13 multifunction test lines, and fully automatic conformal paint coating, with 3 covering lines and a variety of high-precision testing equipment and reliability testing equipment. The daily output of SMT is as high as 25 million points, and the daily output of DIP is as high as 800,000 points. It has successfully passed ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System, IF 16949, 2016 Automobile Quality Management System, ISO 13485-2016 Medical Device Quality Management System, ISO 14001-2015 Environmental Management System, CE, FCC, ROSE, High-Tech Enterprise, and other qualification certifications. The founder of Perceptive has visited the factory many times, and our assembly time is flexible and varied, ranging from 24 hours to several weeks. Once all PCB files, Gerber files, or other PCB files, etc., BOM and all other necessary data or files or images or photos are ready, we immediately start the assembly work to ensure efficient and fast completion of the order. If you are a solution company or factory and have SMT assembly needs, you can communicate with our engineers to choose the PCB and PCB assembly that best suits you.